Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Diane King Hall here to take you through all the market action. Let's take a look at where markets closed to end the week. 3 out of 4 of the major indexes ended the week lower, with the tech-heavy NASDAQ leading to the downside, closing more than 5% lower on the week. The Russell 2000 and S&P 500 were both down around 3%, and the Dow was the only index ending in the green, although little change. Now, taking a look at the leading and lagging sectors on the week. 9 out of 11 S&P 500 sectors ended the week lower. To the downside, tech fell by the most, sliding more than 7%. On the flip side, utilities led the way higher, up almost 2%, followed by consumer staples. Let's take a look at some more stocks on the move this week. It was another tough week for Tesla as shares fell to new 52-week lows. The EV maker started the week on rocky footing after announcing a 10% global workforce cut and the departure of 2 executives. Shares fell further later in the week after a downgrade from Deutsche Bank raised concerns about the affordable Model 2 being delayed. And finally, the stock dropped even more Friday on news of close to 4,000 Cybertrucks being recalled due to problems with the accelerator pedal. The stock closed down 14% on the week. To the upside, United Airlines soared this week after reporting strong first quarter earnings. The air carrier got a boost from an increase in business travel demand, along with compensation from Boeing to make up for the financial impact of delivery rescheduling. The stock closed up about 23% for the week. Finally, shares of Netflix tumbled despite reporting strong first quarter earnings. The streaming giant beat on top and bottom lines and reported more than 9 million additional subscribers. Shares fell, however, after second quarter guidance came in slightly below estimates, as well as news that Netflix will stop reporting quarterly subscriber additions in 2025. The stock closed down over 10% on the week. Let's look at what to watch for the week ahead. On the economic front, on Tuesday, we'll get new home sales. Wednesday brings a look at durable goods and demand for big ticket items. Thursday, we'll get a look at GDP. And we close out this week Friday with consumer sentiment and the all-important PCE number. And the earnings parade continues next week with a slew of heavy hitters. Most notably, we'll hear from Tesla on Tuesday. Wednesday, Boeing and Meta are on deck. And then on Thursday, we'll get earnings reports from tech heavy hitters Microsoft, Alphabet, and Intel. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Diane King Hall. Remember to tune in 24/7 to schwabnetwork.com.